Hi friends, welcome to your own delicacies on the plate. Today I'm going to make a Chinese soup and that is hot and sour soup. You can make a veg hot and sour soup or you can, if you want, you can also add egg or chicken to it. So check down the ingredients in the recipe and follow the procedure. You will get a perfect hot and sour soup at home. If you like the recipe, click on the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such delicious recipes and delicacies on the plate. To make hot and sour soup, start to heat up a pan. Add 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil to it. Any vegetable oil you can use. In this heated oil, add around 1 tablespoon of garlic finely chopped and 1 tablespoon of ginger. You can chop it or grate it. Now roast it till the raw aroma diminishes. So now add 2 spring onions and then again roast it. Also add a tablespoon of green chilies finely chopped. Now add the vegetables, that is the juliennes of carrot. Roast it, cook it in the oil for 2 minutes. Add some beans, again cook it. Add the peppers, again cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. 1 small bowl of cabbage finely chopped. Just add that and cook it. Roast it in the oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now in this, add around 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. So now mix this well. Now add water to this and let it come to boil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, crushed pepper, and now mix it well. Now here this is celery, this is dried celery. Generally I just keep the extra one and keep it in a bottle. So I'll just mix this to the soup. You can use fresh one. Add salt to taste and mix it well. Now here I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'll make a paste of this, so I'll just add water to this and I'll dissolve it in the water. Now just mix this. Now I'll mix this in the soup to get a good consistency for the soup. Now just mix this well. Now here I have taken 2 eggs. I'll just beat this up roughly. Now I'll add this to the soup. Now slowly add the egg and go on mixing it. So your eggs hot and sour soup is ready. Also here I have egg noodles. You can also add the vermicelli, the thick quality of vermicelli to the soup. So this will give a good texture and good look to the soup. Also along with the noodles, add the green of spring onions finely chopped. Boil for 2 minutes. At the end, add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar and mix it well. And the hot and sour soup is ready. Serve hot. I hope you must have liked this video. See you in the next episode with one more delicious recipes on delicacies on the plate.